Welcome to my class Introduction. Class Standard 11-12. Subject Higher Mathematics, first paper. Chapter name Trigonometric Ratios of Associated and Compound Angles. Exercise 7C, Lecture 3. In my previous lecture, I had explained trigonometric ratios of associated angle and compound angles. Today's lesson, transformation of product of two trigonometric ratios into sums or differences. And 2 number, transformation of sum of two trigonometric ratios into products. At first, product into sums or differences, and 2 number, sum or differences of two trigonometric ratios into products. Now follow. Transformation of product of two trigonometric ratios into sums or differences. We know the formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This equal to sin A plus B. And also know the proof of this theorem, because in my previous lecture I had explained and I had proved this formula. Okay, and we know also sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This equal to sin A minus B. This is equation number 2. And we know cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This equal to cos A plus B. And 4 number, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This equal to cos A minus B. These are the basic formula. Okay. Now by applying this formula we can determine more formula after adding 1 and 2. After adding 1 and 2 mean this and this cut, left side will be 2 sin A cos B and right side will be sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is a new formula. Clear? That's mean 2 sin A cos B. This equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Clear? And by subtracting, that's mean 2 equation 2 is subtracted from 1 and we'll get this and this cut, because here will be minus and here will be plus, here will be minus. So this and this cut, left side will be 2 cos A sin B and right side will be sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. In the same way, after adding 3 and 4, that's mean this and this cut, left side will be 2 cos A cos B and right side will be cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That's mean follow here. Clear? And subtracting this two equation will get this and this cut, left side will be minus 2 sin A sin B, because this will be also minus, so left side will be minus 2 sin A sin B and right side will be cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. But for vanishing minus side of left side, we have to take common in right side by minus. As a result, minus into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Both side minus minus cut, will get 2 sin A sin B. This equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. That's mean this follow here. Clear? So these are also formula, and that are important for solving this exercise. Okay, but when we let a plus b equal to c and a minus b equal to d, as a result this side, that's mean here will be sin c plus sin d, because we have let a plus b equal to c and a minus b equal to d. So right side, or we can convert this into left side, no problem. Here will be sin c plus sin d, and as a plus b equal to c and a minus b equal to d, after adding these two we'll get 2a equal to c plus d. Therefore a is equal to c plus d by 2. Similarly b is equal to c minus d by 2. As a result here will be a equal to c plus d by 2 and b is equal to c minus d by 2. Clear? Similarly others also we can derive. Now follow next. Transformation of sums or sum of two trigonometric ratios into products. Explanation: a plus b equal to c and a minus b equal to d. By adding this and this will get b cut 2a equal to c plus d implies a equal to c plus d by 2, and by subtracting a cut 2b this equal to will get c minus d. This implies b equal to c minus d by 2. Clear? Now from equation 5, 6, 7 and 8 in previous slide, so left side, that's mean right side convert into left side, and left side will be sin c plus sin d. Right side will be 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. And like this way we can write sin c minus sin d this equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Just putting the value of a plus b equal to c and a minus b, that's mean a minus b equal to d, and also putting a is equal to c plus d by 2 and b is equal to c minus d by 2. As a result we will get this relation. And similarly from 7, cos c plus cos d this equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and finally cos c minus cos d this equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Okay, that are also important formulae of this exercise and we have to remember, otherwise math will be very difficult. Clear? Problem 1. Prove that sin 10 degree, sin 30 degree into sin 50 degree into sin 70 degree this equal to 1 by 16. Solution: left hand side is given this. Here sin 30 degree is equal to, we know, half, but others, that means sin 10 degree this equal to I don't know, sin 50 degree this also equal to unknown, and also sin 70 degree also unknown. But when we'll consider this equal to a and this equal to b, here will be sin a sin b, okay, or sin b sin a. As product we can write anyone first, no problem, but we need here 2, but 2 is absent. So for taking 2 we have to take half. As a result, follow next line, this fixed sin 30 degree this equal to half, but we have taken here another half for making formula. As a result, here will be 2 sin 70 degree sin 50 degree, and we know to sin a sin b this equal to what? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. in my previous slide I have explained. Now follow. This fixed, have fixed, here also have fixed. This makes a formula cos A minus B. A means 70 degree, B means 50 degree, minus cos A plus B. A means 70 degree, B means 50 degree. This formula is applied here. Clear everyone? Now calculate. We'll get 1 by 4 sine 10 degree and here cos 20 degree. But here minus cos 120 degree. Now multiplying this into this, we'll get 1 by 4 sine 10 degree into cos 20 degree minus 1 by 4 into cos 120 degree. This equal to minus half. So here minus half and sine 10 degree fixed. As a result, we'll get this and this plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 8 into sine 10 degree, and left side, that's mean this part will be 1 by 8 into 2 cos 20 degree into sine 10 degree. That's mean cos A sine B. This formula is used here. Okay. Now follow this. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into, for making formula we have to take here half. As a result, here will be 2 cos 20 degree into sin 10 degree, like as this. Okay, and here plus 1 by 8 sin 10 degree. Now follow. One by 8 sine C plus D or A plus B minus sine A minus B as cos A, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B means sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. And this part fixed. Now calculate. We'll get 1 by 8 sine 30 degree minus 1 by 8 sine 10 degree. This and this cut. Here will be 1 by 8 into half. That's mean this equal to 1 by 16. This equal to right hand side. Proof is complete. Clear everyone? Each line of trigonometry formula are used. So formula are very important for solving any math of trigonometry. Now follow next. Problem 2. Prove that sine theta plus sine 120 degree plus theta plus sine 240 degree plus theta this equal to 0. So left hand side is given this. This equal to we can write 120 degree plus theta. This equal to we can write 180 degree minus 60 degree minus theta. 180 degree minus 60 degree mean 120 degree and minus plus. That's this equal to we can write this, and also here 180 degree plus 60 degree plus theta. Now sine 180 degree mean which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant minus something mean second quadrant. So in second quadrant sine is positive, and as here is number of right angle even, so sine will be sine. That's mean first part fixed sine theta, and here will be sine 60 degree minus theta. But here follow 180 degree mean second quadrant plus something mean third quadrant. Third quadrant sine is negative, third quadrant positive only, tan and cot. Okay, but here is number of right angle 2, that's mean even, so sine will be sine, but sine of this will be minus, and angle will be 60 degree plus theta. Now follow here properly everyone. Here is the formula sine A minus B minus sine A plus B. This equal to what? We don't know the formula. because here will be minus and here will be plus, then it makes a formula. So we have to take common minus. Clear? It's fixed. Here at first we have to take this first, and taking minus is common. Here will be minus sine of 60 degree minus theta, and this part here. Now this makes a formula: sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. This equal to 2 sine a cos b. That's mean 2 sine 60 degree cos theta. Clear? Sorry, here will be cos a sine b. A mean 60 degree, b mean theta. Okay, as here is minus, so here will be cos a sine b. If here is plus, then we can write here sine a cos b. As minus, so cos a sine b. That's mean this formula is used here. Sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. This equal to 2 cos a sine b, not sine a cos b. Okay, as here is minus. Now calculate. This equal to sine theta and cos theta. Cos theta, theta means 60 degree. This equal to 1 by 2 and 2 and half cut. Here will be minus sine theta. That's means sine theta minus sine theta. This equal to 0. This equal to right hand side. Proof is complete. Okay. Now follow next problem. Problem 3. Prove that sine 18 degree plus cos 18 degree. This equal to root 2 cos 27 degree. Left hand side is this 18 degree. This equal to, we can write 90 degree minus 72 degree, and this part fixed. As a result, here will be sine of 90 degree mean number of right angle odd, so sine will be cos, and here will be 72 degree. This is fixed. Now this makes a formula sine c plus sine d, and sine c plus sine d, this equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2. Sorry, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That's mean this. Clear? And now calculate this and this, will get 90 degree, and this minus this will get 54. This equal to, we can write 2 cos 45 degree, and here 27 degree. But cos 45 degree, this equal to what? 1 by root 2, and 2 into 1 by root 2 mean root 2. That's mean this equal to root 2 cos 27 degree. This is a right hand side. Proof is complete. Problem 4. Prove that cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha minus sin beta whole square, this equal to 4 cos square half of alpha plus beta. Left hand side is this. Now applying formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. As a result, here will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's mean cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta, and here will be sin square alpha plus sin square beta minus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Now this and this make 1, and this make also 1, and this between these two we can take common 2. That's mean at first we have to write in arrange sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square beta, or sin square beta plus cos square beta. This and this equal to 1 plus 1, and we can take here common 2. As a result, we will get this. That's mean 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos alpha plus beta. Now take common 2 between this. We'll get 2 into 1 plus cos alpha plus beta. But this equal to, we can write 2 into 2 cos square half into alpha plus beta. Here the formula 1 plus cos 2a, this equal to 2 cos square a. That's mean here angle is 2a, but here is angle 1. That's mean half of 2a. As here is alpha plus beta, so here will be alpha plus beta by 2. As here 2a, here will be a, so alpha plus beta will be half of alpha plus beta. Clear? And this equal to 4 into cos square half of alpha plus beta. This equal to right hand side. So proof is complete. Now problem 5. If a cos alpha plus b sin alpha this equal to a cos beta plus b sin beta, prove that cos square alpha plus beta by 2 minus sin square alpha plus beta by 2 this equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. Solution: given that this implies this and this taking common a, so here will be cos alpha minus cos beta and right side will be b into sin beta minus sin alpha. So this make a formula that is cos c minus cos d, and here sin c minus sin d, and we know this formula. That's mean this equal to, we can write a into 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin d minus c. D mean beta minus alpha divided by 2, and here will be sin to sin beta minus alpha by 2, as here is minus, so for cos will be plus and for sin will be minus, and cos alpha plus beta or beta plus alpha same by 2. Now this and this cut, that's mean 2 cut, this and this cut. As a result, here will be cos alpha plus beta by 2 and here will be sin alpha plus beta by 2, and here a, here b. So this equal to, we can write cos alpha plus beta divided by sin alpha plus beta, this equal to a divided by b. Just calculation. Okay, but we have to prove this, so we need square on both sides. As a result, here will be cos square alpha plus beta by 2, and here sin square alpha plus beta by 2, and right side will be a square by b square. As a result, this will be this. Now by componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo mean we have to add this and this. That's mean here will be cos square alpha plus beta by 2 plus this, here a square plus b square. That's mean a square will be added with b square. So here will be a square plus b square, and dividendo mean cos square alpha plus beta. That's mean denominator will be cos square alpha plus beta minus sin square alpha plus beta by 2. Here alpha plus beta by 2, and here will be a square minus b square. That's mean this line. Okay, that's mean at first numerator will be added with denominator and denominator subtracting from numerator, and here also same. Denominator will be added with numerator and denominator is subtracted from numerator. This is a componendo dividendo. But sin square a or cos square a plus sin square a, this equal to what? 1. We know this formula, so 1 divided by this equal to this. That's mean this. Now by invertendo, that's mean this will be numerator and 1 will be denominator. Here will be denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. That's mean this proof is complete. Okay. Problem 6. If a not equal to b, that's mean angle are not equal, and sin a plus cos a, this equal to sin b plus cos b. Prove that a plus b equal to pi by 2. Given that sin a minus, that's mean given line, at first you have to write the given line, that's mean sin a plus cos a, this equal to sin b plus cos b. This is the second line. That's mean we have convert sin b into left side and cos a into right side. That will be second line. Okay. Now this make a formula, sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d, this equal to what? 2 cos c plus d by 2. That's mean a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. And cos c minus cos d, that's mean cos b minus cos a, this equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b. That's mean d minus c by 2. We know this formula. Okay, that's mean this formula is used here. follow properly here. B first, but here is C first, here then A, here will be D. So this part same, that means C plus D by 2. Here B plus A or A plus B same as plus, but second part will be at first this first, that means A minus B by 2. So here D minus C by 2. We know this. Okay. Now this and this cut, 2 cut. Okay. So this divided by this equal to 1. That's mean 1 at first. 1 is left side, and the next line we can write this, or we can direct write this, no problem. But this equal to what? Sin A by cos A, this equal to tan A, and 1 is equal to what? Tan pi by 4. That's mean this equal to this side, tan omit. A plus B by 2 equal to pi by 4. Therefore, A plus B equal to pi by 2. Proof is complete. Clear? I tried to explain different types of math in this exercise. Okay? So, everybody will try to finish this exercise and submit the copy. 7 November 2020 at 7 p.m. That's mean exercise 7C all. Okay. So to tap to this, thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.